Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to link a button to a section in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to link a button to a section in Squarespace, first you need to log in to your account by filling this email address and password. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. First, you need to go to the section you want to link to. Let's say we want to work on this contact page. We want to send our visitors directly to this contact form from other places on our website. First, you need to go into the editing mode. To do that, click on this edit button from the top. Then click on this add block and select code. Double click this new added block and replace this text with this one. I will add all of these resources in my blog post that you can find from this video description. Replace this unique ID text with something, for example, like contact-form. And also replace this text part with something like contact me. In order to close this window, click on anywhere on this page, just like that. Resize this block like that and make it inside or near your desired section you want to link to. Don't forget to click on save in order to save your work. After saving your work, click on exit and go to the button you want to link to this section of your website. I think I need to edit this text a little bit. Place it just here, not inside the form, and click on save again. Click on exit. Now go to the page where you have a button you want to link using. First, go into the editing mode, just like that, and select the button you want to use and click on edit link. Click again on edit, and now this is the link you need to use. First, you need to edit your domain name here. This is my website domain. This is the page, it's called contacts. To get your it's called URL slug. To get your targeted page URL slug, just select it from this list. Let's look for the URL slug of this contact page. Click on this gear icon, and this is the URL slug. Copy this part, edit it or paste it here, just like that, and now remove this second slash. You need to use this sign, then the ID you used here. If you remember, I've used contact-form. Then copy this full link and use it in this URL. As you can see, let's review it. The HTTPS part, my website domain name, this is the page, and this is the ID of the blog I want to link to. Make sure to use URL and not file or email or phone. Then close this. You can open this link in a new tab. I will go with open and link in this new tab and click anywhere on this page, and don't forget to save your work again. Now I will visit my website from the incognito mode to verify that my button works fine. To do that, click on exit, go to home, click on settings, go to domain and email, domains. Then this is your built-in website. Click on open link in incognito window. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This is the button I've edited. Click on it. And as you can see, I was directly linked or sent to this contact page and exactly in this contact form area. Click the link in this video description to get a copy of this text. And this is how to link a button to a section in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.